Okay, welcome again, guys. It's another session for OSM Tanzania Technical Training, and today we are going to cover a Kobotoolbox. A Kobotoolbox is an integrated set of tools for building form and collecting interview response. This Kobotoolbox was built by a Harvard humanitarian initiative for easy and reliable use in difficult field setting. I don't know if you guys have already used this tool, but it's quite useful tools for collecting information. We know there are tools that we use on collecting information, and one of them is questionnaires. So when you are doing a research or when you are doing when you want to collect information, there are a set of questions that are designed for collecting. Sometimes people are using paper format, and other people are using video recorder. And this tool is also helpful when you want to collect your information by using your smartphone. So we're going to learn on how we can design the questionnaires by using a Kobotoolbox, and how we can link the Kobotoolbox with our smartphones so that we can visualize our data, or we can visualize the questionnaire through our phones. So it's quite easy way of collecting data, and it's a very, very helpful tools. Many of people are using this nowadays for collecting information because it's very good and easy for keeping record of your data, and sometimes also it's also help you to do some management of your data. So I'm going to teach you that. So for you to be able to have an access of a Kobotoolbox, first you have to go on the web browser and try to do like a Kobotoolbox, like what I've done here. Kobotoolbox login or a Kobotoolbox. If you get to the Kobotoolbox, it's a tool. So to be able to create a questionnaire or to visualize the Kobotoolbox, first you have to open a Kobotoolbox account. So I'm going to create an account for Kobotoolbox. It's quite easy and direct. So you have to fill this form, like maybe say my name. I'm going to use this name, Kasunga. You have to fill this form. So I'm going to fill this, and your organization. If you don't have your organization, or if let's say you're a student of Susa University, like this, and what will be my username? Maybe let's say my username will be Kasunga 2020. And your email address, I'm going to use my email address, and you have to use your email address too. A sector is for what? You can choose whatever you want to choose, but for me, I'm going to use it for information and media. There's no need of setting this country or what. Okay, I'm going to say Tanzania. Where's Tanzania? Republic of Tanzania. Wow, can't find my country. Here. And with Jada, I mean, yeah, it's not necessary to put these. My password, I'm going to use my password one. Okay. Okay, and then I'm going to create an account. Or say Kasunga must be between 2 and in the length, and must consist of a lowercase number. I guess there is some error. username must be between 2 to 30 character in length and may only consist of lowercase letters, number, also. Okay, so let me say it's need a small, say Kasunga. Okay. Okay, let's use that. And my password is gonna be what? So then I'm creating an account. Okay, so they tell me, do you want to save this? Yes, I want to save this. So thanks for creating a Kobotoolbox account. Click the link. So they've sent me a message from my email. I'm gonna visualize my email and see. Here is the, where was the email that they sent to me? Okay, I'm going to refresh. It's gonna take some time, couple of seconds or minutes. Here, smooth activation. Okay. Okay, and then I'm going to click on activating my account. So you can see it's a very direct way of you to create an account. I guess it's very straightforward on creating this account. And then after you creating account, it's gonna load. Okay, it's gonna load. At least here, so you can see this is the interface of the Kobotoolbox. Okay, here is my username, is my account, setting account. There's a login, there's a language, there is this. And also on the right hand side, there's a project, there is a library, there is a deploy, there's a draft, there is an archived. So after you creating this account, what you have to do, you cannot just have this account and doing nothing on this account. So what you have to do is creating the questionnaire, making the questionnaire. So you may ask, why would I want to make a questionnaire? Why would I want to create a questionnaire? The questionnaire helps us to collect some information, like when you're doing a research on some certain things, and you want to correct information on a certain subject, you can create the questionnaire based on the case study that you want to correct. So in my case, we are going to create the very simple questionnaire. We are going to collect the information about electricity in the household. So I'm going to design that kind of questionnaire, and we're going to see how you can do that, or you can design by using a Kobotoolbox. So what you have to do is I'm gonna click on the new, and I'm going to select, I have to build from the scratch. And then I want to enter the title of the project. So here I'm going to write collecting data about, let me say, project name is electricity data. Okay. And then I'm going to create a project. Okay, that's my first project. So if I created that, I'm going to start creating a questionnaires. So when you see on the project, I'm inside my project here, you can see that my project is called electricity data. And here is where I can create my questions, my forms. So I'm going to start by clicking this sign, and I'm going to add a question. Like, okay, oh, let me go back, sorry. I'm going to click this, and I'm going to write the question like, I want to create the informations of type of electricity that household are using. Like, I'm going to write like enter your name, please. Oh, yeah. Well, okay, if I'm gonna add that, what kind of data is there? What kind of information will name have? Like the name has a text, so it's kind of a text. Okay, I'm going to select a text because the person will add maybe, my name is Harry Kasunga, my name is Shaban Mkawila. So that's the type of data that I'm expecting is text. So I'm going to create text. Another one, I'm going to add like the street. Okay, I'm going to add like enter a name of your street. Enter name of your street. Going to add. This is also be text. Okay. Another one is like enter name of your street. Okay. Another one. Do you have electricity in your household? Okay, this question it has, I'm gonna add, and this kind of question it has like yes or no. So it has a select one. Okay, if I say select one, it give me like there is a yes answer, and there is a no. Okay, okay, okay. Uh, who is a supplier of electricity in your house? Okay, this also is like, it has like maybe one choice. Maybe we know there's Tanesco, okay, and another one that we know, maybe another company, maybe from
Zeko.
Rare. Come again?
Zeko from Zanzibar.
Okay, Zeko. Thanks. Another one, I'm using maybe a generator, right? Oh, maybe I'm using solar, right? And others, you can write others sometime if there is. So this kind of question, and also you can add another question like, okay, location of household. The location is always like, let's see, where's the location? Point. It's a point. is get the coordinate of the household of the person. Okay, and okay, so this is a very simple questionnaire that I've designed, and maybe I want to take a picture of, maybe, I don't know, let's omit that. There's no need. So and after designing such kind of questionnaires, so I know my questions will be like, enter your name, enter name of your street. Do you have electricity in your household? Is either yes or no. Who is the supplier of electricity? Will tell us. If it doesn't, I will show you that later. And the location of the household. So what else? Maybe name of city is not enough. Maybe we can add the name of your ward and name of, maybe let's, maybe enter a name of your word. Yeah, this type of question is like, we know the information will be in a text format. So after this, I will say like, I have to save this. So after saving this, I can preview my data. I can preview my form. Let's say, how will my form look like? So I'm going to select on a preview. Okay, it's going to take some time. Okay, so this is how my form will look like. Okay, it's like, I have the name of a person, I have name of a word, I have a name of street, I have like this supplier and location. Okay, so after having this, if you look at my form, it has like English. So I want to create my form that everybody can use. If I want to let other people access my form and also help me on collecting the data of electricity on the area, I will have to change this form into different language. So we are going to see that on how to change. Like I will have to go back to I went back to my project. This is the project that I have and I've created. And the next step that I'm going to do is I'm going to try to translate this form into different language. So what I have to do is I will have to click this like more action, and I will click on the place where it's written manage translation, and my default language will be like English, and language code is EN. I will say it. And I'm going to add another language, which will be, but I'm assuming we all know Swahili. So I will go with Swahili, and my code name will be SW. Then I will add. After adding that, I will have to edit the language. And I say edit and update the language. This will come. This will be the format, like it will be the original string in English and Swahili translation. So I will start by enter your name. B ingiza jina lako. Ndio. Okay, enter name of your word. Ingiza jina la kata yako. and enter your street. Ingiza jina la mtaa wako. Una umeme nyumbani kwako? Unapata umeme kutoka kampuni gani? Au nani anakuletea umeme? Okay, whatever. Mahali pa, how can I say location? Mahali ingiza eneo la nyumba yako. Ndio, hapana. So what I'm doing here is just I'm translating what is written in English to Swahili. You can add many language. I say tuna TANESCO, tuna ZECO, tuna solar, tuna generator. Tuna solar, kuna mengine. Okay, after this, I'm going to save my changes. Okay, so after saving my change, going back to preview I want to preview this. I want to preview. Okay, let me do this, and I want to preview my form. I want to preview it. Let's say preview. I'm previewing my form. So this is how it's look in English, and let me select Swahili, and this is how it will look in Swahili. So you have seen how I can create a very simple form or questionnaire by using Kobotoolbox. It's a very simplest way of creating form and for collecting information. And then that's not the end. I have to deploy this form. When I say deploying it means I want to allow it for you or other people to be able to access this form on their smartphone. If I say deploy, I'm clicking on the deployed form. So after I deploy the form, I will have to go to collect data, this form here. How am I going to collect this form? Maybe I want this form to be collected also by using Android application. So I will just use the selection of the Android. And for Android, so you will see. For this form, if you really want to access this form on your phone, you will have to download ODK form into your phone. Okay. You will have to go to your Play Store on your smartphone if you have one. Go to Play Store. After going to Play Store, you will have to search for ODK, Open Data Kit, or Kobo Collect. So, and then after you download your Open Data Kit or Kobo Collect, you will click on your ODK form. You will click these three dots and you will open setting. Okay. And after you create, they will ask you to put a URL, which is this one. depend with what you collected, but we are collecting data by using Android application. And you have to remember your username and your password. Okay? So after that, you will open to get a blank form, which your smartphone will communicate with the Kobotoolbox, and you will have the form that you have created. So it will be very easy for you to access the form and filling the information. And after filling the information, you will be able to send those information. And if you send those information, because those information that you'll be sent, it will be go direct to the Kobo, because you will be this Kobotoolbox will be saving the information that you collected. So everything that you're collecting and send into that URL, it will be directly to this. And you can access your phone and getting the questionnaires there and collecting information to the field, or collecting data to the from the field and send it to here, and you can visualize your data and you can work on your data. So the Kobotoolbox is the easiest way or simplest way for you guys to collect your information or collecting data by using your smartphone. And this is the tool that is very helpful for the people who are doing research, for the people who are doing some theses or want to collect information on different fields. So it's very helpful when you're collecting information by using this. By saying that I'm allowing questions if there is any, so that I can try to answer those questions. You guys are welcome if there is any question. Is there any question? No?